All right, guys, as you know, I have had this spoiler on for the past few years, and you can see here how much the wrap that I put on is just discolored at this point because of the beautiful Florida sun light. I don't have a garage. Anyway, you can kind of see the line from the wrap. It just looks crusty. So what we're doing is we're gonna rip it off, and I got some paint, and we're gonna paint it. I'm gonna do my best. So hopefully it turns out great. I know Mazda has a pretty specific paint color. It's like the white pearl. It has these really nice, it's a nice shine to it. I couldn't really find anything that resembled that, obviously, but the closest thing I could find was this guy right here, and I got some primer and gloss, by the way. Anyway, it's gonna look a lot better than this for sure. So that's what we're working with. Hopefully it just looks like it flows all together. But again, I mean, look at it. It's so like yellowish. I don't even know. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and rip this thing off now. I definitely forgot how dirty it gets under there. So, and I forgot the cleaning part. In my head, I just thought, oh, take it off, paint it, and put it back on. But I forgot about all of this stuff. Look at that. Nasty. Look how weird the car looks without it. I guess it doesn't look that bad, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Bruh. Send help. It's finally all off. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down, get it nice and clean before we start putting the primer on. All right, let's do this. Gonna light coat. All right, so it's looking so far. About to put on like the 4th coat right now. It's a little wet, so it looks a little spotty, but I promise it looks pretty good in person. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, like wipe it down a little bit because there's like fuzzies or whatever. Then we're gonna put the white paint on. I don't know, guys. I put 2 coats on. It looks like shit so far. Look at that. Maybe I shouldn't judge it. Maybe I'll judge it when I'm actually finished. But so far, I'm scared for my life. All right, that actually looks a lot better. I haven't even added the clear coat yet, but I was not gonna lie, I was really scared that it was gonna come out like crap. But so far, so good. Hopefully it actually matches. All right, so final coat was just applied on of the clear, and I'm pretty content. It's really not bad for a rattle job for sure. So we're gonna let this dry for a few hours and put it on the car. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to install the DuckBill. All right, so if you skip to this part, it's been 4 hours for me and like 1 second for you. I did my best trying to clean this up. This guy's all painted. What we're gonna do now is put the DuckBill on the car. It's had enough time to rest. This is the most important part, right? So installing it, you're gonna need a lot of this tape. So get a pretty big roll of it, right? Because what you're gonna need to do is put down a strip on the top and then put another layer on it and do the same thing on the bottom. 1 strip and then a layer on top of that as well. Now the reason why is because it doesn't fit great. This works pretty good. And then the most important part is putting 3 layers here. So, I know it sounds kind of wild, but trust me, it works. So scratch what I said. You're gonna want to add 3 layers on the top and 4 layers on the side. Because I just tried to put it on and it was definitely not enough. It still wasn't reaching. Maybe I layered the tape in the wrong areas. Maybe you might get lucky with 3, but I had to do 3 and 4. And then the top is good, the back. But I did end up just putting 1 more layer on each corner just so I could, flip the tabs over so I can actually place it down. But something important that you want to do is not completely remove the red tape. You just want to kind of fold it up over, right? Like it overhangs, and then kind of place it on the trunk, right? This is going to be the tricky part. is placing it and just kind of feeling it out, making sure it's even. You guys see all these bugs? So right there, that's kind of basically it. Then you're gonna just kind of fit it on each corner. Make sure the tape is hanging out, the red tape. Again, fit it on, and then it should work. All right, so I lined it up the best I could with this side and with this side as well. And then from here, all you really need to do is like those tabs that I talked about, you just pull them. And then once you pull them all out, you're gonna go ahead and press down on everything and it'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That easy, that easy. All right, so it's on. It's looking pretty awesome. The paint matches a lot better than I thought it would. Definitely need to be done. I don't know if you guys remember what it looks like. I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah, that was pretty bad. And now it looks like this. Like, this is so much better. The gloss could be better for sure, but I don't know, it's not gonna be perfect. I didn't, I'm pretty upset because I dropped it and I made that little hole, and I'm just like, all I see is that little hole. Like, you don't really notice it if you're not looking for it, but because I did it, all I see is that hole now. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. These gnats are killing me, so I'm gonna try to clean up and head inside.